Hello, my dear friends. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel, DemPost. My dear friends, I came before you with an interesting topic. The topic is what is opinion poll and exit polls? Opinion poll is a human research survey of public opinion from a particular sample. Opinion polls are usually designed to represent the opinions of a population by conducting a series of questions and then extrapolating generalities into ratio or within confidence intervals. The opinion poll published prior to the elections, whereas exit poll, exit poll is a poll of voters taken immediately after casting vote at polling station. Exit poll should be published after the completion of election and before the election results. My dear friends, the traditional form of opinion polls started by Rolling Star and Northern Carolina State Gazette, the Wilmington American Watchman and Delaware Advertiser prior to the 1824 presidential election in USA. In the year 1916, the Literary Digest embarked on a national survey partly as a circulation raising exercise and correctly predicted Woodrow Wilson's election as president. In the year 1932, an American by name Mr. George Gallup came with new methodology. This method involves sampling a randomly selected statistically average group of people. Mr. George Gallup used this method in 1932 election, correctly predicted a local election in Iowa. My dear friends, George Gallup did not invent the opinion poll, but he did refine it and created a methodology that has become the global standard. As far as India is concerned, the popular media surveys started in the 1980s when Pranay Roy conducted opinion polls during election to find out the mood of Indian voters in 1979 to 1980 elections. At the very beginning, most of the poll results were published only in news magazines like India Today, Outlook and Frontline. Slowly and gradually, the leading newspaper groups also started showing interest in publishing results of election surveys. The demand from the print media further increased the number of opinion polls being conducted in the country. What added to this growing demand was advent of various television channels with a large number of news channels competing against each other. The race for conducting election surveys and arising them as quickly as possible after election dates are announced has become the norm of the day. My dear friends, what is the influence of opinion poll on elections? It affects on voters' mind because opinion poll provides the information about voter influence, thus it influences the behavior of voters. By expressing and observing a British conservative author, broadcaster, journalist and commentator by name Peter Hitchens wrote a book, The Broken Compass, on the influence of opinion poll, asserts that opinion polls are actually a device for influencing public opinion. He gave various theories about how this happens in his book. Peter Hitchens gave a pragmatic example of opinion poll where he discussed that opinion polls are a device for influencing public opinion and not measuring it, and that political parties, newspapers are responsible for this manipulation, whose purpose benefit to particular party and person. The author cites a contemporary example of media attacking Gordon Brown and presuming the manipulation of opinion poll to influence the voter. Therefore, some of the democratic countries made laws and guidelines on election opinion poll. Canada prohibits the transmission of new election survey results to the public on polling day before the close of all the polling stations in the electoral districts. Exit polls may not be shown until the close of polls. France, the publication and broadcasting of opinion polls was banned for the 7 days preceding each of the 2 rounds of voting in the country's national elections. Italy, prohibition on the publication of electoral polls begins 15 days before election day and continues until the closing of voting. The Singapore is severely restricted the publication of electoral opinion poll results and imposes an outright prohibition on the publication of exit polls. As far as India is concerned, in 1998, the Election Commission of India issued its guidelines for the publication and dissemination of results of opinion polls, exit polls, prohibiting the publication of opinion polls results beginning 48 hours before the start of voting and continuing until the polls closed. But during the 1919 elections, numerous media institutions ignored the ban and were subsequently prosecuted by the Election Commission of India. After a number of lower court decisions, the Supreme Court of India ruled that the Commission guidelines exceeded the power of superintendence, directions and control granted to it by Article 324 of the Indian Constitution. The court also questioned the particular practicality of such a ban given the presence of international and online media in the country. The Commission guidelines have since been withdrawn and no new legislation has been renewed. Calls for some form of ban on the publication of opinion and exit polls results. My dear friends, as far as India is concerned, I am sure that opinion poll prediction election result by media houses, agencies and individuals such as Prashant Kishore is definitely corrupt in nature. I am very much sure with my research the opinion and prediction poll used in general election 2024 to influence and target the particular section of people to benefit the particular party. Everybody well aware the new terminology invented to address media in India, that is Godi media, means lapdog media. How anyone can believe in this contemporary Indian media? My dear friends, I would like to show you few gimmicks of media and Prashant Kishore, so-called political analysts.
दूसरा प्रश्न मेरा आपसे रिलेटेड ही है। पिछले 3-4 महीने में ये मैं काफी नोटिस कर रहा हूँ ऑन ए पर्सनल लेवल कि आप बहुत ज्यादा इंटरव्यूज दे रहे हैं टीवी न्यूज चैनल्स वालों को। तो बुरा मत मानिएगा, बट मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि आप रिलेवेंट रहने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं इलेक्शन टाइम पे। थैंक यू।
की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ तो मैं तो रेलेवेंट था, मैंने अपने आप को इरेलेवेंट बना दिया है। मैं जो काम करता था उसको छोड़ दिया। 2 अक्टूबर 2022 से 2023 तक तो मैंने गाड़ी पर पैर नहीं रखा, मैं गांव से बाहर नहीं निकला।
A student asked Prashant Kishore that why you trying to become a relevant prior to the election of 2024 after such a long time, and I am also observing that you are giving consecutive interviews to media houses. Prior to the general election of 2024, Mr. Prashant Kishore predicted the big victory of BJP, crossing the limit of 303 seats benchmark. And during the election, he was giving often interviews by claiming big victory of BJP.
लेकिन बीजेपी 270 के नीचे भी नहीं जा रही है, ये भी मोर और लेस क्लियर है। मुझे ऐसा लगता है, मैं बार बार कह रहा हूं कि बीजेपी के नंबर मोर और लेस जो पिछले लोकसभा में आउटगोइंग लोकसभा में 303 का था, वही नंबर या उससे कुछ बेहतर होगा, उससे खराब नहीं होगा, ऐसा मुझे लगता है।
Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy, YSR Congress Party, complained against Mr. Prashant Kishore, journalist Ravi Prakash, for a rising opinion poll. My dear friend, in the conclusion, I would like to draw your attention that how opinion polls manipulate and uses to benefit particular party by media houses, agencies and individuals. Country like Italy prohibited on publication of opinion poll 15 days before election, the close of voting. Italy ranks in World Press Freedom Index 46 out of 180. France banned for the 7 days preceding each after 2 rounds of voting in the country's national election. France ranks in World Press Freedom Index is 21 out of 180. Canada ban on polling day before the close of all the polling stations in the electoral districts. Canada ranks in World Press Freedom Index is 14 out of 180. US has no ban on opinion poll. US ranks in World Press Freedom Index is 55 out of 180. UK also no ban on opinion poll. UK ranks in World Press Freedom Index is 23 out of 180. As far as India is concerned, India had a ban of 28 hours prior to the election till the completion of election in 1998, but nobody obeyed the same. Presently, no ban on opinion poll. India ranks in World Press Index 159 out of 180.